Hi again, it's Coach Joe from StayFitAnywhere, and today, all about squats. And in this specific video, it's going to be a beginner squat circuit. As I mentioned before, just because I use the word beginner, doesn't mean if you've never exercised before. It just means if you've been out of the game for a while, you're getting up there in age, your body just doesn't handle the same movements as well as we used to back in our 20s and even 30s, this is for you. So in this squat circuit, it's all body weight. So you don't need any pieces of equipment. You just need a comfortable space to be working out in. That's in your home, awesome. At the gym, great. Outdoors, even better, right? Enjoy the environment out there. If it's winter time, unless like you're really hardcore and you want to get out there in the snow, by all means, do that. Otherwise, I like a little bit of warmth sometimes. As much as I love winter, I don't always like training outside in the winter. So I'm in my own home right now. So the 4 squat exercises in this squat circuit is going to be a regular bodyweight squat, a plie squat, an isolation squat, which some people know as the wall sit, and a lateral squat, which is basically, I'm going to combine 2 squats together. So that's your regular squat into a plie squat, and you'll see how that's done. I won't be breaking down each step of how to do exactly these squats, and if you're unsure about how to do a squat, you got to check out my top 3 beginner exercises you need to do right up there. Check out my link below. I have an online consultation form, and I'd love to hear from you. And that reminds me, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, click on that subscribe button, push that bell notification, and you'll know when my next upcoming videos of all my beginner exercises through the month of January. In the squat circuit, I recommend doing 12 to 15 repetitions just to make sure the body gets adapted to it. If you're finding it challenging to hit 12 to 15 repetitions, do 8 to 10. So today, I'm going to be only doing 10 repetitions for each squat. And you can also do a couple of sets of these at home. And as always, you can follow along, or you can break up each individual exercise, put them in your own workouts, and do them anytime you want to do them. So here we go. Starting off with the bodyweight stationary squat. So that's a stationary squat. The plie squat, a little bit wider. Some people like to do it from their toes. For the plie squat, I'm just going to keep my foot entirely on the ground. You're just doing a wider stance. Keep your body nice and tall. I still recommend, if you're a beginner, weight on the heels. Exhale when you're coming up. Do them at your own pace. You can do it quicker, you can do it slower. Listen to your body. The wall sit. Find a wall. 90 degrees. Hold. This one's stationary. I recommend 30 seconds if you can keep it that long. If not, start with 10, 15, maybe 20. Keep that going. You'll feel a huge burn, within your quads. A lot of people will feel that. I'm starting to feel it. So, and I've been doing this for a while. But, these are things like that your body still can improve on, even though you're, even if you have been exercising for a long time. But as I was saying, I like to use beginner because it kind of makes you think, okay, we're regressing, we're building a solid foundation. Okay, it's about 30 seconds. Slide yourself up. Whew. A little burn there, or walk that off. Okay, this last one is the side squat or the lateral squat, but I'm going to be doing a double squat to make it a bit more challenging for you. So here, a stationary squat into plie squat. You can alternate to go side to side. So those 4 exercises complete the squat circuit. You can change it up however you want to do it. You don't have to start with just the basic bodyweight squat first. You can do a plie squat first and then switch it up to a side squat, into a wall sit. Whatever you choose. That's the beauty of exercising. You can do it any way that you want. You're still focused on working the same body parts. This circuit's great for conditioning the lower body properly, building up your posterior chain of your glutes, hamstrings, calves, making sure that your joints and your hips are nice and strong. It's going to help your lower back. A lot of people that have lower back pain, it could be weakness of the glutes, and overall daily function. You get in and out of a car, you get in and out of your seat at your desk. Squats, you're probably doing squats multiple times a day. This just reinforces proper movement. Hopefully it'll help prevent any future pains or at least delay them. So give this a try. Let me know how you're liking the exercises. Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And we'll see you again in my next video.